Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the OBS Studio plugin Tuna on Linux. We're gonna get right started. So first you're gonna go on the download, go to download on the OBS forums. This will take you to GitHub, to the latest release. Currently it's 1.4.0, and then down here we have the Ubuntu release. It's called Ubuntu because it's compiled on Ubuntu, but it will work for most distributions. So we're just gonna download that. And then we're gonna save it. Now we can extract the zip archive, and in there we will have either the install script or a readme. So we're gonna open up a terminal, and you can either follow the instructions in the text file. Just gonna look at that now. There you go. It's just 2 steps basically, but you'll have to install the dependencies yourself. Or you can use the script. Just take a look at that now. If you don't trust it, it'll only install 2 packages. I have only tested it on Arch and Debian or Ubuntu. So if you have either of those, the script should work. If you have any other distribution that is not Debian or Arch based, then you'll have to see for yourselves. And then further down here, it just installs the packages there, and then at the end it just installs the files for the plugin into your home folder. So I'm just gonna run it now. It's gonna ask for sudo password. I already have the packages, so I'm gonna say no, and now the plugin's installed. And if you open up OBS Studio now, you should see the plugin installed. So let's take a look here under tools. It should be Tuna settings, and that's all there is to it.